What's up, everyone? We're back from Hawaii, and we actually thought we were going to have more vlogs, but as we mentioned in the Hawaii vlog, which if you missed it, I will link it down below so you can go watch it. We just chilled.
We were hanging out.
We were hanging out. We pretty much went to the beach every day, and we didn't have a whole lot to vlog, but
we ate and went to the beach. That's all we did.
Yeah, and we just said, you know what? That's okay. Like, sometimes that's okay. Anyway, when we were in Hawaii, we stayed at Zach's aunt and uncle's condo, which we did a whole tour. They rent it out, so if you are looking for a place to stay, it's very like you're staying at your family's house away from home. It's very homey. It's it's kind of like an Airbnb, but we went to Costco, got some stuff to make and eat. They have like a whole kitchenette and the whole thing, but we really wanted to have some margaritas. It was my fault because I picked out.
No, we went to Costco. We got a few things, but we also got a bottle of tequila, and we're like, let's make margaritas one or two nights, or on the beach, because you could walk. You're
right there. Yeah, it like the condo's view is of the beach or of the water, so it's like right there. Yeah,
and they're the second floor, so if you take the stairs, you're at the beach. I was gonna say 60 seconds. It's like 30 seconds.
Yeah.
So it's like, let's get stuff for margaritas. So I got a bottle of good tequila, and then you got a pack of limes from Costco.
And I was even gonna vlog it and everything.
Yeah, they were all bad.
All of them.
We got, I think, one margarita each out of it.
For the Super Bowl.
It was a huge bag of 20 limes or something like that.
Yeah.
They were all bad.
So
they were not bad, just no juice at all.
They were really dry, but they had like a lime juicer or lemon juicer at the condo, but I just took like a spoon and just got as much juice as I possibly could, which made us a margarita each. But one thing we did learn is we don't love reposado for margaritas.
I like Blanco.
Blanco, I feel like is just way like a better flavor. Long story short, we've
been craving margaritas now.
Yeah, because it was kind of like, well, dang.
And then I think we juiced half of them and it didn't work, so we didn't even have any. Yeah. And they're like, well, we'll just juice the other half, it'll work. And we never went to the store again. We could have gone to the store, but whatever. But yes, we've been craving them.
We tried to make one with like the spindrift, but I think the reposado was like really throwing off the flavor for me personally. Yeah. So anyway, we're making my jalapeno margaritas, which are seriously some of the best margaritas ever. I'm actually gonna do a reel right now, like while we're filming, so that the recipe's up on my Instagram. Anyway, we're making jalapeno margaritas.
I'm excited. When we got home from Hawaii, they had like a cold front here, so it was freezing here.
Freezing.
But I guess today was nice. I think it was 60s. Tomorrow's supposed to be, I think, 75. So it's like the margaritas just feel like,
it feels like it's spring. I feel like, but you know, like sometimes when you're craving something and then like you go get it, either they don't have it, it's not as good, and it just doesn't quench the craving.
Yeah, totally.
So,
not to try to overdo it today, I was at the store getting the jalapenos and limes and everything, and I found this one. I want to try this with Brandy while we're making margaritas. So we're just gonna split a couple of these. We're not trying to overdo it, but just have a margarita and maybe a couple of these. It's the White Claw vodka soda. What?
Nothing.
The flavors just sounded good. There's peach, pineapple, wild cherry, which neither of us love wild cherry, or at least the black cherry.
Yeah, I'm not like a big cherry person.
Yeah.
Like flavor.
Yeah. And then watermelon. They all sounded good. They're all 4.5%, 100 calories. Just with the warmer weather, we drank a lot of seltzers last year and shared a bunch. But with it's not being hot or not the pool, we don't really drink them.
Yeah.
But I saw these, I was like, we should try these. So we're gonna do that while we make the margaritas. Kind of redundant, but
yeah. By the way, I've shared this before. This is the best citrus juicer ever. It just is.
It's
so
nice.
Good.
Because I always had one from like Walmart, like the $15 one. She bought that for Christmas one time.
Yeah.
It's a lot better.
It is worth, actually I do get a few of you asking me about like the Smeg tea kettle, because I kind of went Smeg crazy there for a minute. The number one thing I recommend, I have the tea kettle, I have the toaster, I have the juicer, I have the frother. Out of all of that, if you were to only buy one thing, it is this. Like if you like fresh cocktails,
Yeah.
I'm sure you can make orange juice, you can make all sorts of things with this as well.
Especially being in Arizona with all the citrus and everything. Like
Yeah.
when we get grapefruits or like oranges or even lemons, it's nice to use that to...
Yes, it is so good and it's really easy to clean. I would recommend if you get this, get the shiny because you know you can clean it really easily and the citrus does kind of get on here and gets a little sticky. Where my toaster, I got the white matte and I kind of wish I would have got the shiny because it cleans and with like a magic eraser it's fine. But I like my stuff to look like really, really clean and like very well taken care of. So get the shiny one. Anyway, I had to talk about this.
I hope these are good.
Let's try like what we think is gonna be our least favorite to favorite, which actually that's kind of easy.
I think cherry
Is least, then peach.
I'm gonna like peach, I feel
You
like.
think?
Cherry, peach, watermelon, pineapple.
Same too.
Cherry, peach, watermelon. Okay. So they are the vodka ones. So I know some states, like in Oregon, you have to go to the liquor store, I think, to get
Oh.
these. These I just got at Kroger or Fry's.
I forget about that.
But like some states, you have to go to the liquor store since it's technically...
These are kind of like the high noons, right? Because high noons
are vodka. And then
Okay.
we did try, when my family was here last, Truly had a vodka one.
Oh.
And they were okay. I don't think I loved them.
Okay, so wild cherry, vodka seltzer. I don't hate it, but it's just not my flavor.
It tastes like cherry.
Yeah,
Like
I mean the
artif-
flavor,
I never,
artificial
I never
cherry.
like artificial cherry. I love others, but not cherry.
I know, I'm just not a cherry person. Some people like love the cherry. I'm like, you're gonna have it. Not my favorite.
I think it's like a 5. It's not good, it's not bad.
It's like a 4 for me. But I really am not a cherry person.
Yeah. Peach.
Peach.
I'm excited for this one.
Let's see. You try it first then.
No, go
No,
for
you
it.
go for it. You like it? You do?
I like it. It tastes like a peach ring. It does taste like a peach ring.
Oh, it does. You know what I was thinking? The reason why I wasn't that like hyped about this is because I thought it was pear. Because you know how there's been all the pear stuff out
There was a
recently?
high noon pear too, which I think
It
was
wasn't-
okay,
yeah.
but not.
It wasn't that great.
This I could see how this could be a little too sweet,
Yeah.
but it tastes like
is
a
good.
peach ring.
Yeah, it does. These are a little sweeter than the high noons, I think, so far. Okay, watermelon, which I love watermelon flavor thing. I know that's kind of controversial. A lot of people think it's disgusting, but I like it. Ooh, it's artificial watermelon, but actually I like that.
It tastes like if you've had a regular White Claw, it tastes like the watermelon regular White Claw.
Yeah, it's just with vodka. I like it.
It's good. I like it. I would drink that at the pool.
Okay,
not
now
pineapple.
you do this one. This is your vibe. You don't like it? Really?
I don't like that one.
I'm shocked. Let's see. Yeah, that's not good pineapple flavor. Doesn't even taste like, well, it tastes like a hint after the after flavor.
Yeah, but
It's not enjoyable.
this is, I think I like the cherry one better than this.
I think they're even to me. I'm a little underwhelmed by all of them. The watermelon's good and the peach is good, but like, is it any better than any of the other ones? I don't know.
Yeah, I agree.
I mean, the packaging is really cute though. Look at this. Like, it's really cute actually. It's kind of like monochrome on each one. I kind of like
The
that.
peach and watermelon I think are really good. The cherry is a 5 and the pineapple is like a 5. No, the pineapple to me is a 4 because I was expecting it to be better.
Yeah. Bummer.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Luckily we have vodka and then we'll share these with some people.
No, margaritas.
Oh, what did I say?
Vodka.
Margaritas.
And this one is yours.
I'm excited.
Try it out real quick and let me know how you like it.
Smells spicy.
It's actually not too spicy. We haven't had a margarita. Is it good?
Oh yeah.
It's so good. I will write the recipe down below for you guys if you want to watch the reel. Like I said, it's up on my Instagram for you to like go back to. But
this is so good.
I know, it's like one of the best.
I can't wait for summer.
It's so good. My like jaw is like quit. Like, you know when your jaw gets like starts watering? I already had a sip of mine, but I want some more. Okay, this is what our back patio currently looks like. I've been holding on to these tables because I'm going to make our little outdoor coffee table. So I need to do that. It just, I haven't done it yet. So I'm gonna do that probably this week or next week. I'm gonna start it. And these poor plants, unfortunately, have very limited time left. They just have been scorched. Look at those. I don't even know if there is any saving these. The other thing about these is I can't tell you how many times I've been out here working on projects and I have backed my booty into these points, which does not feel good at all. And then this pot you guys would have seen in a video that I shared. I painted it, put it out here. Now it's gotten super dusty. I just need to like give that a little clean. But I still love this jute rug out here. I need to clean underneath it. This whole back area needs a good sweep and a nice little clean. Oh, these chairs are on sale right now and they're back in stock. They were out of stock for a while. We love these. We obviously haven't been sitting out here. It's winter, it's been cold. Even though we live in Arizona, it still gets cold. Whoa, got a little blurry. It still gets cold, so we haven't been out here, but these have held up really, really nicely. They do need a nice little clean, and I probably need to put some oil on there. The covers need cleaned, but I'm so impressed with these, and they are actually very affordable for outdoor seating. So if you're looking for some, I'll link these down below. They're so good. We love them, and they're super comfortable. I still have the wood back here for, hey, I still have the wood back there. We're gonna do a little table right here.
They're nice.
Yeah, I know, I love these. They're so good. And outdoor furniture is so spendy. These are a really good price. I would love to get two more and put them right here, but we just don't have the space for them.
Yeah.
So I would though, like have a little circle.
I think we have the planters coming next that we have to do, but after that, I do want to do a little table out here.
Well, I think what we should do though, babe, is actually get started on that so that it could dry. And then I can just dress it like I did the table inside. But yes, I'm gonna actually, I found some planters that I think her name's Jenna Sue Design. I'll link it down below. I'm gonna follow her whole tutorial on how to make these planters. They look like gorgeous, first of all, but they look like 500-year-old stone pots. Oh, they're so good. So I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna go get all the supplies tomorrow and start that project, and then maybe we should do this as well.
We should.
Also, one of my favorite pots is actually this pot over here that I bought from Home Goods, and this thing weighs so much. I can't remember how much I got this for, but it was not expensive at all, and I'll probably have it for the rest of my life. It is such a good pot. But yeah, I just want to give our back patio space just a rejudge. I do want to get rid of these eventually. I feel like this will just open up some space, but it's been super neglected out here for a really long time. And yeah, so the first project, we're gonna do the pots, and then I want to get some trees, maybe a kumquat tree and a Meyer lemon tree out here.
They're so dead.
I know, they're so, but I was saying these are a hazard too. How many times I've poked my butt on these when I've backed up into them. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update, and yeah, so I'll be vlogging that process starting immediately because we're gonna start that project tomorrow. But we'll have a cute little coffee table right here. We'll have some cute little trees. It's small out here, so there's only so much I can do, and you know, but we're gonna make it cute for us. Okay, you guys, I'm sitting down. I'm enjoying my spicy margarita that I just made. You guys saw, I shared it with you, but I was reading my book and I thought, oh my gosh, I need to share it with you guys in case you want to read along with me, or I don't know. I just haven't been reading. Like I'm not like a huge reader, but from time to time I love to read a good book. I'm a huge fan of Nicholas Sparks. I just love a romantic movie, like something that just lets you escape, that you don't have to think too much. Even when I watch design shows and stuff like that, it's almost like I'm thinking too much, and I just need something that's like, not, my painting is kind of the same way, you know. Sometimes if I'm on Pinterest or watching a design show or this or that, it's like I'm thinking too much about decorating our home, or my mind just kind of goes in there. Anyway, long story short, I'm reading this book. So far, I'm really enjoying it. I think it's pretty new. I mean, they're talking about TikTok and all kinds of stuff in this book that I'm like, which Zach and I were talking about that. It seems weird because I feel like when I'm reading, I feel like I'm like reading from the past, but also when you read new books, you're reading in the present time, I guess you could say. Anyway, leave me some book recommendations. I already have the next book that I'm gonna read after this one, which is Where the Crawdads Sing, which I watched the movie and cried. Did I tell you guys about that? I'm pretty sure I did. But loved that movie so much. And so many of you over on Instagram especially were telling me how much better the book was. So I'm for sure going to read that. In fact, I was kind of like bugged that I didn't read that book first, but I'm reading this one. And what actually made me get this book is the day that we left Hawaii, we had a whole day to burn, and we went into Barnes & Noble and we just were looking around, and I was like, ooh, I want to get that. But since we were getting a red eye, I didn't get it from Barnes & Noble. Long story short, I ordered it, it came, now I'm reading it. And yeah, I just want to know, what kind of books do you guys like? I basically just love books that just allow me to escape and tell a story. I'm loving it. Anyway, I just thought I would update you guys because I started a book and it's a big deal, so I needed to document it. All right, first things first, I need to find some trees that I like. Whoa, these are pricier than I thought, $90. Maybe I'll just get the the things that I need and then decide what trees to go from there. I was thinking 2 kumquat trees because I was really inspired from White Lotus, but the lemon with the full sun on our back patio might be best. But I'm gonna look around and see what else they have. Orange trees, lime, mandarin. Let's see. Those are really cute, actually. Really cute. I like the shape of that one back there. Found some smaller orange, so I bet the price of those would be a little bit better. Let's see, navel orange. These are tiny. So these are only $20, but I feel like that's a little too small. Ooh, this might be really cute in the kitchen though, if I put it out to get some sun. Some mandarins. I really wanted kumquat. Even though I think we'd actually eat more of the lemons and mandarins. Maybe I could do mandarins. That might be really cute. Okay, I need to get my supplies and then I need to decide. Okay, so I went with 2 mandarin and then in lemon. Then I got the things I need to make the pots, but I am gonna have to go to another store because they didn't have everything I needed, but we're off to a good start.
I would say we were good together.